Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here in Bagalkot district in my Azoba's place, and right now I'll be showing you how a sari is ironed or folded. And here we do have two machines in which this entire process takes place. This is the process roller machine, as well as that is also a process roller machine. And right now I'll be showing you how a saris are kept. You can see there there are 2 to 3 bars, the roller bars, on which a sari is placed. These saris are usually came after manufacturing directly from textile looms, and they are placed here in vertical zigzag manner, so that the raw sarees which are just manufactured, they pass through these rollers and they come out in the form of folded, the iron complete fine product as ready to sell also. These I can show you. These rollers are there. Here 4 rollers are there. These just rotates. The heights are variable through this screw driven gear, and this is the gearbox assembly whole box driven chain belt drive, and the motor is 1 HP. And this is also a roller machine. Here you can see the temperature rod is kept here. The heater rod has been placed inside the drum, and by that mean you can just pass on the sari, and the sari gets completely ironed. So here in Karnataka, the kan sarees, cotton sarees are quite famous, and they are like they come from Coimbatore as well as in Karnataka. The Bagalkot district is famous for iikal sarees are there. And right now I will be showing you how these sarees are. These all are sarees, and these are like not ironed one. Those are also not ironed. And after processing, you can see how these are packed into fine product. Fine, like this is also a pressing machine on which 20 each lot is kept. That is 40 sarees are placed like this, horizontally in this path like this, and at a one time 20 sarees are pressed, and they are brought into this thing, the entire whole lot. These are all lot.
So after coming back from the pressing machine, here the sarees are folded and wrapped with the paper. So these two ladies just fold the sarees in particular steps, and this is how they fold the sarees, pack it, and yeah, that's done. So this looks really simple, but the hard work is needed, because every time you need to bend and then put the paper inside it. So yes, these are the steps. The first one is coming back from the roller machine. They are pressed here. The raw sarees are ironed, then it is folded with the paper, and then it is pressed into that pressing machine, the 20 lot each machine. And this is how the process is all about.
So sarees it is known as, and all are cotton sarees, kan sarees, iikal sarees, as well as there are many varieties which are always launching. So yeah, that was my intention of showing you how a sarees are processed, that is ironed after manufacturing or coming out from the airjet looms after processing and doing embroidery system. And this is the thing, like I just wanted to share with you how these things are carried out. This is also important part of textile industry, because in textile industry the main part is to get cloth, a complete cloth from a yarn, and after it goes to processing plant, that is doing embroidery, giving out the paint, and afterwards the raw sarees are brought here and they are ironed and they are packed, and the whole lot is transported wherever you want. So yeah, that's all. I hope you like the video. Thank you guys.